Hello friend, this is our universal remote control. This is programming button, and this is button 1 and this button 2. Now I will show you this universal remote control, how to work with the Genie Opener. For this model, Genie. 等一下，我给它拍一个。Okay, let's start. Press the programming button once for enter the programming model, and then press the button 1. In the menu, the Genie, you should press 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then press another button to quit the programming model. Okay, now press the opener run button once, and press the first button once. As you can see, it can working together. Okay, let me show you again. For button 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press another button for quit the programming model. Okay, press the run button once LED light. Press the button 2 again. Okay, as you can see, it can working together. Okay, thank you.